Please do not watch this video if you do not like seeing stinging insects up close, or if you are opposed to killing of such stinging insects. I will tell you, I don't tolerate yellow jackets. I've been dealing with them for many decades, and they do get aggressive. And if you have something like a garden that you see behind me, my wife is a cancer survivor, and she cannot tolerate being stung anywhere where her lymph system might be affected. She's already compromised, and I will not tolerate being stung by those yellow jackets. They often will develop nests within the fencing like you see behind me because any hollow cavities. They are very aggressive once you get in the area of their nest. They're like schoolyard bullies. I don't tolerate them, and I use Delta Dust in an applicator that puts it out like a small puff of smoke. That's what coats these insides of these cavities where they build their nests. It knocks them down generally within a short amount of time. I do it in the middle of the night or early morning hours when they're less active and most of the colony is in their nests. I do not recommend that you do this if you aren't capable of maybe being stung, because they can still come after you. I just want to show you that this is one way to get rid of them. I've used it for years thanks to doityourselfpestcontrol.com. I use Delta Dust, and it is very effective in my opinion. I hope this helps.